Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and I'm here with Millie to give a lesson tutorial out of our 5th grade math kit. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with all things Mango Math. Cash Machine is a great game because it puts students in a process of understanding how math works in the real world. So one student is going to be the banker, and they're going to draw a card that's going to have two functions on it. A and B. A being the easier one and B being a little more difficult. They get to choose which one they want to do. The other players don't get to see what is on the card. First player goes, they give the banker $3. The banker records that amount on the board, and then they do a function to it and give that player back $9. So that player now has $9. The next player goes, let's say that player gives $5 and the banker gives back $15. So once a player guesses what's happening, what the function is on each one of these, and we are multiplying by 3, they can figure that out, then they get to become the new banker. Remember, there's two different functions that they can use, and so as they do the first one with the A's and they get good at that, then they should be going to the B's. So enjoy exchanging money. Thank you for checking out our video and seeing how to play these great Mango Math games. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more Mango content and check out our website at www.mangomath.com.